Isn't it funny how your brain compartmentalizes things? I work in public relations education, so all day, every day, I think, eat, sleep and breathe PR. I gave a Google talk recently, but I was wearing my other hat, my author hat. I was there to talk about my book, 10 Red Hot Tips to Promote Your Business. I arrived in a dress and jacket, and the lady met me and said, "Oh, you're wearing a dress and jacket." It had completely slipped my mind that it was something I should not have worn to give the presentation. I ended up being introduced to their videographer and saying to him, because I had broken 2 ribs the week before and was hardly able to move, that he needed to help me remove my jacket and unzip the dress and put the microphones up through the dress and zip the dress back up again. And I began my author talk by saying to Google, I had no intention of coming in here today and flashing my underwear at a strange man before I even had an opportunity to say hello to anyone. It really surprised me that for someone who regularly briefs people on what to wear, it never dawned on me that a dress and jacket was the most inappropriate thing to wear when the video was being shot, and I knew it was being shot because I'd signed the forms in advance. Your brain compartmentalizes. Sometimes PR people need a PR person, particularly when they're in author mode.